In every relationship, words have power. The right words can inspire love, respect, loyalty, and emotional connection. Many women believe they must change who they are to be valued. But the truth is simpler. When a man feels appreciated, respected, and emotionally connected, he naturally wants to protect, cherish, and uplift the woman beside him. If you want to be treated like a queen, it doesn't start with demands. It starts with communication, confidence, and emotional intelligence. Appreciation is one of the most powerful emotional needs in any relationship. Many people underestimate how deeply a man wants to feel valued for the things he does, whether big or small. A simple expression of gratitude can completely change the energy between two people. When a man feels appreciated, he feels seen. He feels like his efforts matter. That emotional recognition often inspires him to become more loving, attentive, supportive, and committed. In today's world, many relationships struggle because people focus more on complaints than compliments. Constant criticism slowly creates emotional distance, while appreciation builds emotional closeness. If a man works hard, supports you emotionally, spends time with you, or tries to make your life easier in any way, acknowledging those efforts can strengthen the bond between you. Even small words like "thank you," "I noticed that," or "I appreciate what you do for me" can have a powerful effect. Men are often taught to hide emotions, but that does not mean they do not crave recognition. Deep inside, most men want to feel respected and valued by the woman they care about. Appreciation gives them emotional motivation. It creates a sense of purpose within the relationship. Instead of feeling like nothing they do is enough, they begin to feel inspired to give even more. This does not mean pretending or praising things you do not genuinely feel. Real appreciation comes from sincerity. Authentic words carry emotional weight. When gratitude becomes part of the relationship, communication becomes softer, trust becomes stronger, and both partners begin to feel emotionally secure. A relationship grows healthier when both people feel acknowledged instead of overlooked. Often, the smallest expressions of appreciation create the biggest emotional impact and turn ordinary relationships into deeply connected partnerships. Believing in a man can have a life-changing impact on the way he sees himself and the relationship. Every person faces moments of self-doubt, pressure, fear, and uncertainty, even if they never openly talk about it. Many men carry silent responsibilities and emotional burdens while trying to appear strong on the outside. When a woman genuinely expresses faith in his abilities, dreams, or character, it gives him emotional strength that few things can match. Supportive words can become fuel during difficult times. Saying things like, "I know you can do this," "I'm proud of you," or "I believe in your potential," can create a deep emotional connection because it shows trust instead of judgment. A man who feels supported emotionally is more likely to become confident, focused, and committed. Encouragement makes him feel like he has someone beside him instead of someone constantly criticizing him. Many relationships fail because one partner only points out flaws and mistakes. While honesty is important, constant negativity slowly damages emotional intimacy. A man who feels like he is never good enough may eventually become emotionally distant. On the other hand, when he feels encouraged, he naturally wants to improve and become a better version of himself. Positive reinforcement often inspires more growth than pressure ever could. Believing in a man does not mean ignoring his weaknesses or accepting poor behavior. It means recognizing his potential while still maintaining healthy standards. Real support is about motivating someone to rise higher, not lowering your own value. Confidence grows faster when someone feels emotionally safe enough to dream bigger and try harder. A strong relationship is built when two people become a source of strength for each other. Encouragement creates loyalty because people remember how they felt around someone who truly believed in them. When a man feels emotionally uplifted instead of emotionally drained, he often responds with greater love, effort, protection, and dedication toward the relationship. Feeling emotionally safe is one of the deepest forms of connection in any relationship. When a woman tells a man that she feels safe with him, it touches something powerful inside his heart and mind. Safety is not only about physical protection, it is about emotional peace, trust, comfort, and knowing that someone genuinely cares about your well-being. A man who knows he brings calmness and stability into your life often feels more connected, responsible, and emotionally invested in the relationship. Many people are surrounded by stress, pressure, confusion, and emotional exhaustion every day. Relationships should become a place of peace, not another source of anxiety. When a man hears words like, "I feel peaceful around you," or "I trust you," he feels respected and emotionally valued. Those words tell him that his presence has a positive impact on your life. That feeling can strengthen his desire to love, protect, and support you even more. Emotional safety also creates openness between two people. When trust exists, communication becomes easier and more honest. A man becomes more willing to express emotions, share fears, and be vulnerable without feeling judged or attacked. This type of emotional connection builds stronger intimacy because both people feel accepted for who they truly are. In many relationships, constant criticism, emotional games destroy feelings of safety. Over time, people stop opening their hearts because they fear conflict or rejection. But when kindness, patience, and trust become part of the relationship, emotional walls slowly disappear. A peaceful connection allows love to grow naturally instead of being forced. Feeling safe with someone does not mean depending on them for your happiness. It means their presence brings emotional comfort instead of emotional chaos. Healthy love creates stability, not fear. When a man feels trusted and emotionally appreciated in this way, he often responds with greater care, consistency, loyalty, and affection because he values the connection he shares with you deeply. Respect is one of the strongest foundations of a healthy and lasting relationship. While love creates attraction and emotional connection, respect is what keeps two people emotionally close over time. Many men may feel loved, but if they constantly feel disrespected, ignored, or belittled, the relationship slowly begins to weaken. Respect makes a man feel valued not only for what he does, but for who he is as a person. Respect can be shown in simple, everyday actions and words. Listening when he speaks, acknowledging his opinions, avoiding insults during arguments, and speaking with kindness even during disagreements all create a healthier emotional environment. A man who feels respected is more likely to communicate openly, act responsibly, and treat his partner with greater care and maturity. Respect encourages emotional stability because it removes the constant tension caused by criticism and humiliation. Many relationships become toxic because partners try to win every argument instead of protecting the connection. Public embarrassment, harsh words, comparisons with other men, or constantly pointing out failures can deeply damage emotional trust. Even confident men can become emotionally distant when they feel repeatedly disrespected. Over time, resentment replaces closeness, and communication becomes cold and defensive. Respect does not mean staying silent or accepting unhealthy behavior. It also does not mean placing someone above yourself. True respect works both ways. It means understanding that both people deserve dignity, honesty, and consideration. Healthy couples learn how to communicate problems without destroying each other emotionally. A woman who carries herself with confidence, emotional control, and self-respect naturally inspires respect from others. People often treat you according to the standards you set for yourself. When respect becomes part of the relationship, arguments become more mature, communication becomes calmer, and emotional intimacy grows stronger. A man who feels genuinely respected often becomes more protective, loyal, attentive, and emotionally connected because he feels valued instead of constantly challenged or diminished. A strong relationship becomes even more powerful when two people choose to grow together instead of growing apart. Love alone is not enough to sustain a healthy connection over time. Real relationships require teamwork, shared vision, emotional support, and the willingness to improve together through every stage of life. When a woman says, "Let's grow together," it creates a sense of partnership that inspires unity instead of division. Growth in a relationship can happen in many ways. It may involve improving communication, building financial stability, supporting each other's dreams, strengthening emotional maturity, or learning from mistakes together. A man who feels like his partner is building with him rather than competing against him often becomes more committed and emotionally invested. He begins to see the relationship as a safe place where both people are working toward a better future together. Many couples struggle because they focus only on problems instead of progress. They become trapped in blame, ego, and negativity. Over time, this creates emotional distance and frustration. But when both partners adopt a growth mindset, challenges become opportunities to become stronger instead of reasons to give up. Supporting each other during difficult moments builds trust and emotional resilience. Growing together also means accepting that nobody is perfect. Every person has weaknesses, fears, and areas where they need improvement. Healthy relationships allow both people to evolve without fear of judgment or constant criticism. Encouragement, patience, and understanding help create an environment where personal growth feels natural and motivating. A man deeply values a woman who believes in building a future instead of simply chasing temporary emotions. When he sees loyalty, vision, and emotional maturity, he often feels inspired to work harder for the relationship. Shared goals and mutual support strengthen emotional intimacy because both people begin to feel connected by purpose, not just attraction. Relationships become stronger when two individuals choose to become better together rather than trying to prove who is right all the time. Growth creates deeper connection, stronger trust, and a love that continues to evolve with time. Knowing your worth is one of the most powerful qualities you can bring into a relationship. A woman who understands her value carries herself differently. She does not beg for attention, chase validation, or accept disrespect just to keep someone in her life. Her confidence comes from within, and that energy naturally changes the way people treat her. When a man sees that a woman respects herself, he is more likely to respect her as well. Self-worth is not arrogance or superiority. It is the quiet confidence that comes from understanding you deserve honesty, loyalty, kindness, and emotional respect. Many people lose themselves in relationships because they fear being alone or rejected. They tolerate unhealthy behavior, ignore red flags, and sacrifice their peace just to keep someone close. But when you know your worth, you stop settling for less than you deserve. A confident woman sets healthy boundaries without needing to become rude or aggressive. She communicates her standards calmly and clearly. She understands that love should never require her to abandon her dignity or self-respect. This type of emotional strength creates attraction because it shows maturity, stability, and inner security. A man often values what he feels could be lost, and self-respect reminds him that your presence should never be taken for granted. Knowing your worth also changes the way you communicate. Instead of speaking from insecurity, jealousy, or desperation, you begin to speak from confidence and emotional balance. You stop trying to force love and instead allow relationships to develop naturally and honestly. This creates healthier emotional dynamics where both people feel respected instead of controlled. People are often treated according to the standards they accept. When you continuously allow disrespect, others may begin to believe it is acceptable. But when you value yourself, protect your peace, and maintain strong boundaries, you teach others how to treat you properly. A man is more likely to treat a woman like a queen when she already sees herself as valuable, worthy, and deserving of genuine love. Confidence, self-respect, and emotional strength create a powerful presence that naturally inspires deeper appreciation, loyalty, and care. The secret to being treated like a queen is not manipulation, games, or pretending to be someone else. Real connection comes from authenticity, emotional maturity, respect, and positive communication. The words you speak can either build walls or build love. Choose words that inspire trust, encouragement, appreciation, and self-worth. And you'll create a relationship where both people feel valued, because the healthiest love is not about control. It's about connection.